Everybody that showed up to the live stream earlier, man, what a great time. Thank you for being there. And of course, if you haven't made it to one, try and come out. Check it out. See what it's all about. Ask a question. It will get answered. All right, so what I want to talk about today, I know you have seen it by now. There's articles floating around out there asking, are the meme stocks dead? Is GameStop dead? Is AMC dead? Absolutely not. They are not dead. And honestly, I don't even know why they're calling them meme stocks. There's so much more than that. So let's address, one, why they're not dead, and two, why they're not really even meme stocks. So of course, if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and of course, we are growing our portfolios together. AMC, GameStop, and Reddit stocks, meme stocks, whatever you want to call them at this point, right? Now, let's talk a little bit first about why they're calling them meme stocks. Why? What is a meme stock? You know, before 2021, you never would have even heard of a meme stock. Do they sell memes? Like, no, they don't sell memes. The culture on Reddit is very meme oriented. Okay, it's almost like they don't speak to each other in words, they speak to each other in memes. And we know that GameStop has its origin story on Reddit, the whole Wall Street Bets subreddit, which has since grown to an astronomical amount of people in that subreddit. And yeah, it lost its core values slightly in there, but where they get their origin stories is surrounded by meme culture. All they're doing is talking in memes. It's almost like their language, okay? And that's where the whole meme stock origin comes from, but there's so much more than that. I really hope that you guys realize that GameStop and AMC and these stocks that they call meme stocks are so much more. And it's very simple. Hedge funds have shorted them in excess. Hedge funds are required to buy those short shares back. And the fact that these investors know that, we're not investing, we're not buying the underlying value of the company, we are buying the shares that are outstanding, the short shares that are outstanding. It's very simple at its core. And I know that when the media spins it and says that AMC is a meme stock, I can understand where they get that from, but it's actually so much more than that. It's not like you're just buying a meme at this point. It's not like you're buying something that has no value, that's not going to go anywhere, that's just skyrocketing in price. You know, they're calling everything a meme stock now that's seeing 1,000% gains or 2,000% gains. And it's like, well, I mean, I know that they understand why we're buying it, but for some reason they try to twist the story to fit their agenda so that, I don't know if it's so they appear superior to their target audience, or if it's to set themselves apart from the crowd. It's obviously why we buy, or it's obvious, I should say, why we buy AMC. The hedge funds have shorted it. They will buy it back. I mean, they know that. I know they know that. They're intelligent people. They can understand that. So I think it's funny why they call it a meme stock. Now, the second part of the question, are meme stocks dead? And luckily they said no in the article that I was reading. Luckily they said that no, meme stocks aren't dead. They might be fizzling out a little bit. They're not experiencing 2,000% gains over a couple day period. Now they're experiencing 1,000% gains. Like, okay. When do we normalize 1,000% gains in the stock market? How is that becoming a reality here in 2021? Like, yeah, meme stocks. We can make a new asset class for meme stocks. You become a meme stock when you go up 1,000% in one day, because people expose the short shares that are outstanding there, and then they all pile on and really wreak havoc for the hedge funds that have shorted these shares in such high quantities that they end up losing out on, and they just pay us to buy them. So name whatever asset class you want and call it a meme stock if you'd like. However you guys end up wanting to put it. If there's anybody out there in the media watching this right now, We don't care what you call it. We don't care how you refer to it as. We're making money. We're making a lot of money on AMC. And it's obvious. The stock was trading at $5. Now it's trading at $50. So you can call it dead. You can call it a meme. You can call it whatever you want. But the stock price is going up. And you know what's not going up? You know what's not going down? The short interest. The shorts also continue to rise. So let's talk about that really quick. A meme stock, a short interest stock, AMC, for example, is not a dead trade. Why? We've seen a pullback over the last couple of weeks. And if you're still here 6 minutes in, perfect, because this is the meat of the video right here. These trades are reliant on the amount of short interest outstanding. FOMO buyers are nice, right? Day traders, when they bring that volume in, it might be nice. But this trade is reliant on short shares being covered. The short squeeze. It only happens when short shares are covered. And you know what has not happened yet? Short shares have not been covered. They have actually increased. The hedge funds are so confident in their position that AMC will go down that they continue to bet against you and I. They continue to bet against the apes. They continue to bet that AMC will fail. And I love it. I love it. Continue to add those short shares, guys. If you're a hedge fund out there watching, continue to add those short shares. You will get burnt. So as long as we see that the short shares have not been covered, we know that this is not a dead trade. And the short shares are actually rising at this point. So I can't make it any simpler. I can't make it any more clear that it doesn't matter what they call it. It doesn't matter if they don't agree with it. It doesn't matter if they think it's risky. It is risky, guys, okay? We're not investing in the intrinsic value of AMC. If that were the case, we would be buying AMC at $5 a share, and that's about it, all right? We're not investing in the intrinsic value of AMC. We're buying AMC because the hedge funds owe us whatever price we hold out for. That's as simple as that, and I hope that you guys can understand that. So if they want to ask if it's dead or not, just look at the short interest. I mean, they don't need to create some huge article and draw this speculation to the fact that AMC and GameStop might be losing steam. It doesn't matter if we fall back down $10 a share or $20 a share. These little intraday price swings, yes, although it's nice to always see the stock go up, we need to create those levels of consolidation, and we need to find where the market supports AMC at. If we find that the market is willing to support AMC at $40 or $50 a share, that is incredible because the shorts haven't covered, and now they have to jump from the $40 to $50 range instead of the $4 and $5 range. So allow the hedge funds to waste as much time as they want to dig that hole even deeper, and just know that when AMC squeezes, it's going to be amazing. If you thought going from $7 to $70 was amazing, wait till we go from $70 to $700. It's going to be that much sweeter. And I know the price predictions are out there. I know they range from $70 to $700,000, right? They're crazy price range predictions. But anything's possible. Because although retail investors might not be willing to float AMC at $700,000 a share, the hedge funds are required to buy the stocks back. So meme it up if you want, guys. It is extremely, extremely simple. They owe us the shares, and we hold the shares. So the fact that they owe it means that they will buy it back. And hopefully this has inspired a few of you out there to see that, no, AMC is not dead. AMC has a rising short interest on it. Over 100 million shares are shorted by hedge funds now. Over 100 million shares will be covered. So use that as inspiration. Hold your shares out to whatever number you're willing to accept for it. And guys, let us know down in the comments below if you're still holding AMC. I believe that everybody is. and just I don't know, support the rest of us with the comfort and with the knowledge to know that you are still holding AMC and you have not sold a single share yet. And yeah, I think that pretty much sums up the video. So if you guys want to click that subscribe button, make sure to join the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. Check out ClayBro.com if you would like a bro shirt. We've got plenty of different designs out there, and I don't know, people seem to like them so far, so make sure to check that out. Webull, use the link in the description below, sign up for Webull, deposit $100, get a couple free stocks and sell them if you want. Doesn't matter, keep them if you want. It's all up to you. ClayBro883 is the Twitter, and of course, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.